So I've had some weird shifts on the truck. This thing's got a 6L80 GM transmission in it. It's kind of a wonky shift going from 6th to 5th sometimes, mainly just highway driving. Kind of jerks a little bit. So we're gonna try some of this and then update you guys in about 1,000 miles to see if it's still doing it. So I just checked the level. It is on the lower end. So we're just gonna add this to it, see what it does. So I've got about 78,000 miles on this. I'm gonna change the transmission fluid at 80,000, but I figured I'd run this through it just to clean whatever varnish out that's in there. Apparently this is probably the best, one of the best transmission additives that you can put in. And the fluid level didn't change much, so there's the rest of the can. I'll update you guys in about 1,000 miles or so. So this is the second transmission drain and filter replacement I've done under my ownership of this truck. So I've done about 1,000 miles on the old filter and fluid that I put into this truck. And that had some Transtune still left in it. What I've noticed is that it has taken care of some of the harsher shifts. In fact, there's been a definite difference in how the quality of the shift actually feels. They feel a lot smoother, especially that 2-3 shift. I was kind of noticing it when I first picked this truck up. And before I did the Transtune and the filter changes and everything, it kind of had a harsh 2-3 shift. I think I also mentioned earlier in this video that it had kind of a harsh kick down from 6th to 5th, or where it comes out of the locked torque converter. That has definitely improved. It's not perfect. It is a weak point on these GM trucks. They seem to have an issue with the torque converters just going out. I don't know if that has to do with the quality of the transmission fluid, people not changing their fluid in time. I know that according to the service history, this truck had its fluid changed at 60,000. I believe it was a flush that the original company who owned it did. And then of course I got it at 70-something thousand and change the fluid was one of the first things I did. Put the Transtune in it, and then here we are at about 80,500 miles. And I just changed out the fluid and filter again. I didn't put any additives in this time. So now we're gonna drive it for a little bit, see how it feels, and really just see how well that Transtune actually worked with some brand new fluid and a brand new filter in it. All right, so it's at operating temperature. Let's just see how she shifts. Seems to be pretty good. Obviously, I've been driving it for a little while now. Put about 50-60 miles on it since I did the fluid this morning. Seems good to me.